गणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटिप्रकाशं शान्तं मारकोटिप्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं 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 मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं पपामगमरि सरि सरि सपमगमपादनि सरि गम मरि सरि सनि पम गमनि पमरि गमरि रि सरि ससा सपामणि सामणि सरि गम महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं 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 महागणपतिं. Thank you.
Thank you, Manas, for that wonderful song.
Yes.
So with that, we wanted to give a short introduction about the Friends for Autism community itself. So every community has a reason to start or a purpose, or it starts accidentally, without any plan. So Friends for Autism community is also one such initiative. It's that many members of the community work for the same company, So many of us work for SAP, and we also slowly we get to know members from other company also, So we started a kind of slowly what happened as a kind of known members and getting to know each other better, and slowly over the years, last 2 years, I would say, with more of effort and time from the members of the community, the openness and being transparent and the trust within the community members. Slowly what happened is that the unknown members slowly getting connected with each other. We started coming together as a group. We started going for running together. We started practicing yoga together. We started going for lunch out together. And we also started volunteering together. So we have all the initiatives coming up, which will be shared by the community members itself, each one. I just wanted to give a glimpse of how it all started. So the reason is that, especially during these modern times, every one of us, we notice that we all live in our own cocoon. So it's myself and my family and my society, and it limited their maximum, so we need, the history also says that it's always through community we can bring in a lot of changes. We can learn a lot of things having a community in place, and also share within the community. So in the early days also, many of you know, there is no banks, there is no loans, there is no when people needed help, they sought it from the community within the village. Even some of the villages, I think it happens like that even today. So the power of community is immense. So when it comes to especially people with some kind of challenges, really there is a real need for coming together as a community, instead of being as an individual, being as a small unit. coming together as a community, when that happens, we found that each one brings in their strength to the plate, you know. So one might be good at something, the other person might be good at singing, the other person might be good at volunteering, and we found that somebody is good at food, you know. So we consider everything, every single thing what the person is good at, we maximum we utilized it. We found it, okay, what is the person interest, okay, this person is interested in it, so let's make the person lead for that particular initiative. That's what it all started. And slowly, as I started back, we started together practicing yoga and in office, and slowly 2 or 3 people turned into 5. And there were inspiring stories also, people who never ever thought that the person will open up, you know. So slowly it happened that they also became part of the community. That was the real transformation story here. And slowly then 2 becomes 4, 4 became 8, and now we are almost like 10 to 15 member community. We have a WhatsApp group, and it's a support group, and we chat, and we talk with each other, and we share our updates every single day. And that's what is important, you know. So for a community, we believe that uh, there should be something moving, it should not be stagnant. People should have something to do. That's what we believe in. People should look forward to do something as we get up in the morning, you know, what is there for the day, and what is there for tomorrow, what is there going to be for the next week. So the plan is, we believe that over the years, as a community, we will have a bigger plan maybe for the years to come. So it's not ending up with a day's plan or a month plan. All we look forward to have a vision is to have a life plan altogether, you know. So that's what the community, it all started. And we have members from mostly from Bangalore, because we are based here in the location of Bangalore. Otherwise, we do have some members from Delhi who have also joined the call. And thank you, Drishan. I never expected. He's this is the first time he's aware of something, Friends for Autism community. He never joined before. I just left him a message. Today is a holiday, I know, but I know I was expecting that he will read the mailbox, and he has read it, and he is the first one to join today. Thank you, Trishan, for joining. So this is a brief about Friends for Autism community. I wouldn't have a structure to say. I don't know how to put it in words, but I just said what I felt. Maybe the community members will add going forward. We will get a glimpse of what the community is doing and what we do, what we engage in going forward.
else matters. Never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. But I know I never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. Hold these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. Never cared for what they say. Never cared for games they play. Never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. And I know
You and I in this beautiful world, it starts to gain in this beautiful world. You and I in this beautiful world, it starts to gain in this beautiful world.
So hope you all enjoyed. Who haven't seen the video for the first time, if you're seeing the video, I'm sure you would have enjoyed it. So we have seen the activities and the initiatives what we do at Friends for Autism community. Apart from the work we do, we believe in the play, which helps us to kind of do more work or productive work. So that's the whole belief in it. And you have seen the video about all the initiatives that we do. So now we will have one member from the community talking about the particular initiative. I request Manas, you can see the running slide now.
Slide, Karthik.
Can you see the running slide? Can you
Yes,
confirm?
I can see.
Yeah, can you please talk about the running initiative at Friends for Autism community? Thank you.
Yeah. The running initiative for Friends for Autism at SAP started off with, I started doing the first half marathon in the month of Feb 2020 at Auroville, and I got a medal for completing my first half marathon on 21.1 kilometers. I started training from the month of June onwards. I started doing regular running, and even I had done the Anna Diana run in 2019, Forum Purple Run 5K, Alzheimer's Run for the cause of Alzheimer's, and even I had done even my Terry Fox Run 5K, Cancer Run, and I had done the 12.5 GK VK Run Ultra Marathon on 22nd December 2019, and I got a medal in completing the first half marathon in 2020 at Auroville, 21.1 kilometers. And running had really helped me to reduce my weight, and it has helped me to increase the speed at the distance I run per day. That's what the running journey started from 2019 of July till now, 2021, right now, at present.
Thank you, Manas, for
Welcome.
sharing
Yes.
the initiative. So, as Manas explained running is one of the core of Friends for Autism community, because
Yes.
we were able to get along with each other through running. So running as a sport, it helped us everyone to come together and run together. So it's not just a sport, but we found it as a place where we all come together and have fun together, and also not to waste time looking at digital gadgets, right? So we wanted to engage ourselves meaningfully by doing sports. So
Yes.
almost all the community members have run. So, and it is running is a good friend also,
Yeah.
being when we wanted to be alone on our own. So we have a wonderful friend within ourselves. It all requires is pair of shoes to run.
Okay.
So thank you. The next integral part of Autism at Work, Friends for Autism at Work community is yoga. So I request Sridhar. Go ahead, Sridhar.
Doing the yoga since 2018. This is almost 3 years. And in the campus Labs India at around Jimru, it has helped me to for mindful, and it's a union of soul. And going for after that in 2020, I started my yoga by connecting the virtual from connecting work from home option, which is almost 1 year since we are doing this work from home. And slowly with this Wednesdays we are doing this 3 disciplines of home chanting, and Monday is relaxing and mind, and Friday is yoga nidra, that is for the consciousness of mind, to make the brain active. By gaining more on the yoga also helps to do long meditation to get the abundant knowledge in our brain, which I read about the story about this, which is called a spiritual reality. That is called a unique journey. This is about your yoga.
Thank you so much, Sridhar, for sharing. That was very nicely said. Yeah. So we started 2018. Yoga is the first starting point for the community. We get to know each other through yoga only. So I finished my yoga teaching program. So I wanted to teach. Archana said, why not? Archana from Autism at Work, SAP Labs India said, why not you teach? So I just jumped in. So you see, the photos, what you see on the top left, it's the first class, if I'm right. So we started from there. So I could recollect the good old memories. Thank you. So we practice Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning, virtual 8:15 to 9 nowadays. The good thing is few members from the community are very regular and practicing every week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, not even missing one class. And already we see that the community members who practice regularly, their way of life is also the peaceful, and they were able to cope up managing things on their own, and a little bit of less of agitation, stress. So these are all some of the observations of integrating yoga as part of our Friends for Autism community. And also Sridhar missed out. So to 2021, we started with mindful meditation every day. So in the evening 5:15 to 5:30, 15 minutes of Vipassana meditation in silence we are practicing, and so far it is going good. It's more than a month now, and almost every day. Thank you, Sridhar.
Welcome.
My favorite also this one, and I invite Rohan. I know that he might be joining. I'm not sure that he will join for this meet. I left a message to his mom, and I have given him a slot to speak about his initiative. It's all about his initiative, this one. Rohan, please, can you share more about what is this initiative and how we plan and how we do it? It's all yours. Unmute yourself and speak.
Yeah, unmuted myself, and you want me to talk about the lunch out, right?
Yes, when we started and what all the different lunch outs and how we plan it. You are the planner, right? So you can share more details.
Yeah, we started in April 2019,
Go ahead.
and it was really nice. If you look at this picture, it was really good. Felt nice meeting Akash.
Hmm.
Yeah, and also my birthday is coming up. We should plan something.
Yeah, what are the favorite places you have been? Share that.
You're telling about before COVID started or after?
Before, after, everything.
This one I know, truffles,
Hmm.
and this is Anne's Cafe. Eh?
Hmm.
This I don't know. And this was our very first outing.
Which one?
They here, and we all got into a bus and went to an Orbit Mall food court.
Yeah, you're right. Mm. What is the process? You want to share the process, how we plan it and how we go about it?
Yeah, I would like to share my process.
Yeah, share. How we plan the lunch out and where we assemble and in which vehicle we go.
Yeah, EcoSport. But from what I've learned is it's a 5-seater. If you look at these two pictures, I've not seen him for a year now. Really?
But we have gone with 7 people also.
Yeah, but how? Where's the room for the other two?
We have gone, I said. We have gone 1 or 2 places. Bread and banter, if I'm right. We were, I think, 7 people, right?
Yeah.
What is your favorite place? How you plan about it, Rohan? What is that? Why you were interested in lunch outing? What made you to organize this lunch out? It's because of you this lunch out was happening regularly.
It's also so that I could spend more time with my autism friends.
Hmm. You like to spend more time with different
Yeah,
people.
and it makes a lot of sense. Like,
Yeah, absolutely.
it started in early 2019 and it's continuing in. We just went recently last month to truffles with because last month Akash had come, right?
Correct.
And I'm looking forward to another because this year I turned 20. This month is my birthday.
Oh, okay. So we are planning where you're going to take us.
Okay, where? Decide now.
You tell,
because,
it's all yours.
but then last 2 times we went to truffles, but then everybody will be like, what is this every time truffles?
We can invite everyone in the call. I see some parents are also there.
But parents?
No, only friends for autism. So lunch out. Rohan, he never joined the yoga practice. So whenever we meet him, he will just go away, not interested in talking with us, not meeting us, and he was completely away. Then one fine day, I don't know, I somehow noticed that his strength is towards the cuisines, food, and he can talk more about food and other things. So I just had a conversation with him and I told, why not let's go for a lunch out. Then I saw some light bulb moment. So I made use of it. So then I told him, why not you come and practice yoga, and then we will go maybe once you regularly practice with the members, we can go. So in the video, you would have seen some of the photos, right? He is alone doing yoga in the chair. Everyone does on the ground. He's a modern yogi doing it, practicing it on the chair. So that's how it started. And good thing is that because of Rohan, we were able to have these lunch outs regularly, because this initiative really helped for everyone to meet together again in a way that we had conversations, and whatever state of mind each one is in, we were able to kind of get together and had fun. You would have seen the photos, right? And you see here Mahinder treating Promit on his birthday, if I'm right, some sweet or something like that. So it created the bonding within the team, within the community, So when we started meeting each other together and we went out for lunch, we ran together, we practice yoga together. So it created a team bonding. So with that, 2020 was a very tough time. We couldn't meet in person, right? And weekends are, especially without work, it was a bit difficult to spend the time. So what we did is, why not we learn something in a memorable way, learn and share from each other. So what started as kind of a meeting slowly transformed into a storytelling session. So we call it, as it started with the name Saturday Regular Meet. That's why I didn't change it, even though it was a storytelling session. So we call it Saturday Regular Meet. Every Saturday regularly we meet. Almost, it's also like almost touching 1 year now. Almost every Saturday we have met. I would like Mahinder, can you just briefly talk about it?
This Saturday regular meet, we are actually doing it we at least weekly once, so that to meet with each other and share share the inspiring stories, do like storytelling. We can meet new people also, and also we can just communicate with each other and get the solution for any other issues like getting through this Saturday meet. I am getting lot of information. I am also preparing some inspirational proverbs, and also I am also sharing it with each other. So we can also share maybe this Saturday regular meet. We are it's mainly for sharing the stories, also telling the stories, sharing some interesting information, or sharing different opinions also. This is my point of Saturday meet, and it is being conducted by the Friends for Autism community.
Thank you, Mahinder. Thank you very much for sharing it. I would also like to invite another member. Mohana ma'am, can you switch on your video if it is okay with you? Yes. So we started, as I said, it was a regular meet. Saturday we started meeting regularly, and I was part of BITS Pilani. I did my MS there. So we have a community, Facebook community. So I saw a post, one of the alumni sharing that my mother would like to spend time, volunteer for a cause, or actively wanted to get engaged over the weekends or weekdays in a meaningful way. So I just floated in this idea of, hey, we have something called Friends for Autism community. Why not she can join for Saturday regular meet? So that's where I remember it was in mid of last year, 2020, Mohana ma'am joined, and then altogether it was transformed into a storytelling session only because of Mohana ma'am. Ma'am, can you please share a few words about Friends for Autism community and the storytelling session? Thank you.
First, I say sorry for the delay because I saw the email. Somehow it was registered in my mind that it is 3:30 to 4:30.
No problem. No problem.
But about storytelling, it promotes a feeling of well-being and relaxation. And it increases our willingness to communicate thoughts and feelings, encourages active participation, increases verbal proficiency, encourages use of imagination and creativity, encourages cooperation. It gives us a sense of cultural and history, feeling of culture and history. Actually, historical and cultural stories pass on historical experiences. So now they become shared experiences. alters the individual, changing them into groups. Storytelling gives us an opportunity to learn from another person's experiences, and it can shape, strengthen, and challenge our opinions and values. The message passed on with your story can make us absorb the message and its meaning than if the same message was presented in facts and figures. Life is a narrative. Every time we tell others about our past experiences, dreams, and purposes or mindsets, we are telling a story. For human beings, the only species endowed with language, the need to share seems compelling. Even though occasionally visitors and guests appears in our group, they are very small, especially the regular ones in the group are Pranav, Sridhar, Mahendran, and Manas. I want to tell you a few words about them. One thing common among all these boys are their intelligence, which is above average and extraordinary. Pranav is an ocean of knowledge. If somebody tells a story, he can give correct opinion about the story, and he can clearly bring out the morals. Brilliant. And Sridhar always picks up abstract topics, giving explanations in the middle. His mind and brain are definitely at a higher level. That's why he picks up such topics and explains great. Mahendran. Nowadays, he is quoting quotables. Now, how he selects them, I don't know. But each one of his quotes is very useful for life. In Tamil, we can say Ponmozhi. Excellent. Manas. He is a supercomputer, calculates very fast, storytelling is perfect, does his duties without fail perfectly, his interest in meditation and Vivekananda is clear and adorable. And generally, all these boys are highly intelligent and they are in their authentic self. No mask around them. And finally, there is no words to tell about Karthik. Having a wide knowledge in spirituality and modern science, he can explain the toughest thing in a very simple way. His thinking capacity is far superior and he shares his thoughts with us. My experience is I enjoy the meeting and spend the time happily. I know the boys sing well. If one song by them is there, one song by each is there in the meeting, it will be more interesting. And Bromit can tell stories articulating nicely, but I didn't know much about him. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are, as usual, I would say that you are well prepared for this talk also. So,
Now, 10 minutes ago, I saw the mail and wrote.
Thank you so much.
Google Acharya helped me. Best opinion.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I like the way you gave some time to narrate your thoughts about each and every member in the community. Thank you so much. So Mohana ma'am is an ocean of wisdom. So she shares a lot of stories and share with a moral. So she is the one who converted the regular Saturday meet into a storytelling session, and we all got interested into the storytelling session, and all the credits goes to Mohana ma'am. Thank you so much, and she's also a member of the community. Thank you, ma'am. So one of the other thing as part of the Friends for Autism community, this is another kind of observation. Over the period, what happens is when somebody is having some problem, when we consider it as our circle of problem and not coming out of it, we always think about our problem. But when we come out of the circle and look at the problems in the other circle and try to help them out, then our problems go down. The intensity of our problems is still there, but the intensity and our approach towards our problem is far different when we involve ourselves in helping out others to solve their problems. So this was the idea behind. And luckily, we had India Inclusion Summit, and we also had Inclusive Walkathon, and many initiatives of India Inclusion Summit. We were part of it, and that was a great platform for us. So with that platform, almost all the members in the community engaged themselves on their own voluntarily in terms of organizing activities, organizing walkathon, volunteering for t-shirt bib distribution, volunteering for registration desk, and volunteering for creating awareness, so these are all the different ways, avenues and platforms which we found that we were able to contribute to the society also. And noticeable thing is also we volunteered with the Ugly Indian. Ugly Indian is the organization which works towards cleaning up the whole cities wherever garbage is and ugly places are there. They basically transform it into a beautiful place. So we got an opportunity and support from them, and we organized a inclusive spot fix, which is purely driven by the community. And you see the Sridhar and Mahendran photograph here. Many others also participated, but I just have that photograph where we were able to kind of engage in beautifying the place, which was ugly otherwise. So the volunteering is the biggest factor, and the Friends for Autism community strongly believes that it should be a community effort all the time to do something for the society together as the community.